How to say sorry? How to say sorry? I am sorry. I am sorry. My apologies. My apologies. I apologize for the confusion. I apologize for the confusion. I messed you up. I messed you up. Excuse me. Excuse me. I am sorry for any misunderstanding. I am sorry for any misunderstanding. Pardon me. Pardon me. My apologies for the mistake. My apologies for the mistake. My mistake. My mistake. I was wrong. I was wrong. Please forgive the delay. Please forgive the delay. I did not mean that. I did not mean that. I misunderstood. I misunderstood. I am sorry for any problems. I am sorry for any problems. Forgive me. Forgive me. I regret any inconvenience caused. I regret any inconvenience caused. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I apologize for any inconvenience. I apologize for any inconvenience. I did not realize. I did not realize. Please accept my apologies. Please accept my apologies. I am sorry for any trouble. I am sorry for any trouble. It is my fault. It is my fault. I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology. I hope you can forgive me. I hope you can forgive me. I will make it up to you. I will make it up to you. Allow me to make amends. Allow me to make amends. Sorry for the error on our part. Sorry for the error on our part. I regret that. I regret that. I should have thought. I should have thought. How thoughtless of me. How thoughtless of me. I feel really bad about it. I feel really bad about it. I apologize for any inconvenience. I apologize for any inconvenience. I let you down. I let you down. I am sorry for any trouble. I am sorry for any trouble. Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? I am truly sorry. I am truly sorry. I will do better next time. I will do better next time.